We got back from our grandma Hoellein's last night, and it is 8:35 in the morning, and we got puzzles, and I thought mine was pretty cool. It's a really cool Spider-Man thing. Olivia's gluing hers too, and she's kind of halfway done, maybe. She kind of messed up a little bit, so it's gonna be a little harder. What I do is I put the puzzle together and take piece by piece. Well, first you gotta outline it so you know how big it's gonna be. Then you put it on the corners. Oh, good. And keep on going rows down or side. I did down. And just keep on doing that until you're finished.
Time to draw names.
It is time to draw names.
I want to tell them how you draw names.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
How you draw names, you pick a person's name and you go to the store and you get them a present
On Christmas Eve.
on Christmas Eve.
At nighttime, I think.
Who's gonna go first?
Me!
All right, hand me the bowl. Who wrote the names in here?
Me.
Boston, thank you so much. Let's see, whose is that?
Olivia.
Close your eyes.
Boston! I wanted to get Boston.
Oh, we have to redraw because Cody, that means Cody gets himself. Unless you want to buy yourself a present.
I do that. Can I do that? Oh, I'll do it.
I'll do mine.
Buy yourself a present? I don't think so.
I could do that.
I say we switch.
Okay, go ahead. Now you both kind of know who you got.
So who do you have?
Lincoln.
And you have Cody for the final.
Dang, I have no clue. Wait, is there more than one Lincoln?
No.
Yeah? Well,
No.
Who do you have?
Lincoln.
Wait.
And you have Lincoln.
No, I have
Oh, you have Olivia. Okay. Okay.
The joy of holding names.
Thought that was a
All right,
scam.
let's go.
Either pink, black, or maybe gray, or white. That's it! He asked me, he's like, what would you want for Christmas except for shoes? I was like, dang it.
I thought I would be less cranky when we got food, and it's not seeming to help.
No.
It's because you have 4 children.
And they never close their beautiful
Beautiful.
noise-making
Filthy,
mouths.
dirty mouth.
We're going to take a trip to Trader Joe's for the first time in my life. I've ordered tons of their stuff, but I've never gone in the store. Pretty excited, actually. Are you sad because you found a toy for you and you really wanted the remote control car? Yeah, and it's really hard to shop for other people when you just want things for you, right? Yeah, I think a lot of us can relate to that on a lot of different levels.
I tried to get Lincoln something, but Dad said no.
Well, then you need to say, okay, Dad, I'm sure you have your reasons because you're much wiser and I respect you and I love you and I'm not going to be cranky.
I think that's what I heard them say.
Is that how you responded to your dad when he said no to something? Yes. Okay, that's good.
Verbatim.
Good. I'm really proud of you for that. Merry Christmas.
It's a wonderful time of the year.
Do you guys know that this is only the first stop? Lift your hands up.
Yeah.
And there is better stores ahead, so just be patient.
Yeah, they were like ecstatic about TJ Maxx.
Daddy. Well, there was a dog fight.
I'm gonna break my frackin' nail. Got it! You really wanted that remote control car, didn't you? Yeah. Do you think maybe we could ask Santa for a remote control car for Lincoln? And then while we're here, we're gonna focus on Boston, okay? Can you find Boston a present? Okay. That's a really hard concept for a 5-year-old. I know. So, no more crying about your car that you want. And we're gonna maybe think in your mind, I hope Santa brings me something like that, okay? Okay, put your mask on and let's go find Boston a present. But I don't want to take you in if you're gonna be cranky and mean. Are you gonna be cranky and mean? Are ya? Are you gonna find something good for Bossy? Okay, let's go. So
We got Lincoln a present.
no, we walked past this place that had
So many RC cars.
red RC cars, and so me and Cody stayed behind just to look. And then when we were like, all right everyone, it's time to go, Lincoln was like, but I want Cody to get that RV. What's in that bag? And Cody was like, I can't tell you what's in that bag.
Something for Mom. It's a makeup thing.
He threw the biggest fit because he was like, we can't leave until Cody buys me that RC car. And then they were walking together and he's like, tell me what's in that bag. What do you have in that bag?
He's gonna try to get it out of me so much.
But we're not gonna tell him, are we?
Yeah.
He's gonna be so surprised.
Lincoln, who do you have?
Busted.
Okay. Olivia, who do you have?
I have Cody.
Cody, what do you want to get them?
And Cody has me.
Cody has you. How about let's get them some light bulbs for the new house? That sounds like, I think they would like that.
Cody has
Not presents for you, presents for Boston. So you got to think what Boston wants. You think that's what he wants? Let's keep looking. Bring that along, but let's keep looking. Okay.
Now I'm gonna.
No, keep looking. We'll decide it between a couple, okay?
That's that.
He does not need any Paw Patrol stuff.
It's like a mini crop pie.
You think Cody wants that? No, but,
want
oh,
it.
you want it. You guys are shopping for the wrong people.
Oh, this is in a show.
You might want this.
Daddy wants that one. Oh, these are like the vintage. Like, check these out. Battleship. Oh, Crocodile Dentist. That one's fun.
What is it?
You have to tap their teeth, I think. Mastermind. Oh, I think Cody would think this is pretty cool. Do you know what an Etch-a-Sketch is?
No, but they're cool. I've seen them.
You can draw with it.
And then you shake it out.
And then you shake it and erases it.
Great for Boston.
This is an option. Hey, Lincoln.
Huh?
Are you looking for a game for you or for Boston?
For Boston.
Okay, are you playing a game for you or for Boston?
Boston.
Oh, you're playing that for Boston? That's really good. Okay, that's an option. Okay, let's keep looking. Well, our options keep getting deeper and thicker, but we haven't come down to anything in. Tito won't stop playing. Lincoln decided on this one for who?
Boston.
Okay, Rock'em Sock'em for Cody. Okay, now look, what's the #1 rule?
What? I forgot.
The #1 rule with Christmas gift exchange is do not tell them, and there's only like a few days left, so no, we're not looking for more presents. And our other half of our party has met up with us. What was that giggle?
Okay, seriously, do you know how picky he is?
About what?
It was like, it didn't matter what I thought would be a nice present for Olivia, which rightfully so. I wasn't the one picking it out.
Oh, did you get it, bud?
Oh yeah.
Is it in that bag?
Yeah.
Can you show the people?
But he, no.
Oh.
But he had a very
Somebody
clear.
stinks. All right, he had a very clear.
He had a very clear idea of what he wanted.
Boiled
And
eggs.
Yeah, seriously. Who brought the
That's why I
farts
keep
in?
my mask on.
no, mask, just trap it in. Let me tell you something about this mask situation. I think it has contributed to the chaos in my bubble. It was like I was getting claustrophobic, and the lines are really long to get in stores because only so many people are allowed in the stores at one time. This has been
A different year.
different shopping experience for sure. I have a huge headache, and I know it's because I can't hear, and with the masks over people's mouths, I really can't hear. And so trying to like really concentrate on what, like someone stopped me and they were asking me, they were like, oh, how's your parents? And I was like, I don't know who you are, I can't hear you. And she's like, we're in their ward. I was like, oh, okay. I'm like, they're good. And then we were like, okay, bye. But I felt so bad because I could not hear her. Yes.
Sweetie, I think you're gonna have to take the plunge.
Guys, I genuinely need hearing aids.
The hearing aids. Well, masks inhibit it a lot for her because she can't read lips, and Bonnie's really good at reading lips. So
I am.
I think that's made you get by without them for a long time, but it's getting to the point where it's like, I think you're gonna have to just suck it up, Buttercup.
Really true. One, I don't want to pay for them. Two, it's like, I want to wear hearing aids. Actually, I don't care having them like in my ears. It's just like one more thing to like add to my routine. I went to turn the camera off and he said, bite my biscuits. Oh, wipe my biscuits.
Wipe my. This is a diary of a wimpy kid.
Story time, Christmas edition. Late last night, all the children were nestled quietly in their beds. Lincoln Roy was stirring and stewing about, and I honestly was like, I'm just gonna let him play in his room quietly. He's being really, really quiet, and I didn't hear anything loud, but about, I don't know, maybe after 45 minutes of playing, I hear this sobbing, like, just maybe pinched his finger really hard or something.
But like stifled. It was like a stifled cry.
Like he didn't want us to hear his cry, possibly? I don't know. Anyway, I decided I better go check on my little baby boy. And what did I see when I came in?
The tree was fell down.
What tree was fell down?
The one in my room.
The entire 6-foot Christmas tree was down. Not only was it down, it was in 3 separate pieces. Like the top was over here, the middle was over here, and the bottom was still lit on its side. And what was funny, I didn't hear it fall. Did you hear it at all?
No.
I had no idea it fell. What was the best part was that Lincoln was sobbing, and it wasn't because he got hurt or pulled it onto himself, which I'm sure he did. It was because he was like, Dad's gonna kill me! Were you just scared Dad was gonna be so mad? Was I mad? What did I do?
Picked the Christmas tree up and lit it back up.
Yeah.
No,
I picked the tree back up, and then he's like, Dad, it's still broken. And then I stacked another piece on and it lit up. He's like, it's still broken. And then I stacked another piece on and it lit up. And he's like, oh, it works. And then I picked him up nice and soft. I mean, he probably thought he was just fried, just living the last day of your life, buddy. We get so frustrated with the little things, little details, but it's like the big things, it's like, you just
don't get mad
you just
at
can't get mad at him. So I picked him up and laid him in his bed. His arms were just wrapped around me and he just didn't stop sobbing. He was just
So upset.
so remorseful, and I think he was in shock that he wasn't
In trouble.
like, just, yeah, it was just
He's like
the mercy of his father just put him into more tears, I think. Is that what it was?
For this year, I got Cody from Drawing Names, and I got him this. I can't really say it out loud, but I got him this. And I thought he might like it. It's kind of fun. So, I'm gonna wrap it up. I need tape and scissors. There we go. There is my box. Love, Olivia, to Cody. And that's my Christmas gift. And now the boys are gonna take their turn and wrap their presents.
I went to the store and I got Olivia these earrings. It has crabs, hearts, palm trees, little things, and diamonds. It's really cool. Well, I bought this first. It's like a necklace. It's a necklace that she can have. Yeah, it will match with it. Oh man. How am I gonna wrap this? All that is in here, this bag. So now, I just gotta wrap it. Oh my gosh. It was kind of hard picking out the thing for Olivia. It took me about an hour to find it. Because there's not that much girl stuff in the store. So I had a hard time.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Okay. That is the present. I'm gonna write to Olivia from Boston. There we go. To Olivia from Boston. I got this really cool RC car for Lincoln because he's been asking one nonstop at the mall. He saw a bunch of these. Oh, but Lincoln was downstairs and was like, "What'd you get me? What'd you get me?" And I kept on saying, "I'm not gonna spill it. I'm not gonna tell you." But then I finally just came up with something to get him off the hook so he wouldn't stop asking. And then I said, "I got you a huge Lego and don't tell Mom." But sure enough, he told Mom, and then she realized, then Mom just went along with it. Okay, I'm not that best rapper because I don't rap stuff that. Get out, Lincoln, now.
Are you wrapping my present?
No, I mean, yes, get out. I'm just gonna go lock the door. And then take this one, cover it over right here. Take 2 pieces so nothing pops out. Go. In. Stay. I'm probably doing the worst wrapping job anyone could possibly do in the whole entire universe. Or maybe not. I'm gonna crumple it up because I'm getting really mad. Frustrated. There's some red right along here. He asked for a red RC car. I'm toast. He's gonna find out. Got an idea. I'm just gonna cut this little end off right here. One thing I hate about wrapping paper is that you can't make it stay unless you tape it. Hey, look, you can't even tell. I think we're good. There. It's kind of weird, but yeah, with sunglasses. Probably the worst one I've ever seen. Okay, this is done. And there's a giant marble.
Awesome.
Like a marble. And you have to trap a mouse.
Don't come in. Yeah.
And he wants to get the cheese, but the marble goes here and he does this and he thinks it's the cheese.
Let the record show he said he did not need any help.
Okay.
All right, don't cut your finger.
Okay, I always am safe cutting. I always am. I am trying very hard, but I am never gonna do it. When am I gonna be done? Comment below when I'm gonna be done. So, I'm gonna finish my work. Mom, can you come help?
You said you're trying.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, boy. Okay. A for effort. All right, Link, let's get yours wrapped, okay?